What's up, guys? We're back in Ikebukuro. Today we're gonna go eat chara boy. It's something that I've seen since 2012. It used to be on the other corner down there. Chara boy is a giant takoyaki, and it's one singular takoyaki, the size of your fist, like a bomb. So here you go. These have been cool gachas. Let's show you what it has, what they have to offer, and we'll probably get some. This is chara boy. There's spicy sauce mayonnaise with cheese, some corn, teriyaki mayonnaise, tempura crust, teriyaki mayonnaise and soy sauce mayonnaise, double green onion mayonnaise. There's a cheese mix, double spicy cod roe cheese, teriyaki mayo cheese, green onion salt mayonnaise, double spicy cod roe, and the regular. We're gonna go ahead and ask what they have, like what they recommend. It's also like a lot of anime, you know, those miniature ones. Chara boy. It's right across Sunshine City and Nitori, which used to be Tokyo Hands. Let's go see how one of them looks.
Hindi naman kita yung big.
Why? They have these also, and they're making a lot. Chara boy here in Ikebukuro. Like it? You recommend that?
There's an egg.
They even have egg in that.
For the taste, yeah, I recommend it.
Alright, so it's giant takoyaki or chara boy. You could see. You see a case? Chara boy.
Ito din
Wow. That was a big chunk of octopus. Here at Chara boy. To go on with our day. Alright guys, this is mode off. Oops. Book off. In Sunshine City. Let's go check it out. A lot of cool action figures. Got One Piece. Tons. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and checking it out over here. Damn, Hyper Mode Gundam. Not bad. Some pins, anime pins. That's cool. I mean, I don't know most of these animes, but there's some stuff, even like plushes, plush toys, cool keychain straps. Not bad, and that's pretty good price compared to the vending gachas. You got some cool Pokemon cards. Not bad. That's an $80 card. I'm not sure what else is there, but it's crazy here. Got Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Yo, One Piece cards. Alright. Tons more action figures over here. Is like, I guess, books and anime. We're gonna go ahead and keep going down. Some CDs. Some very cool CDs. And some DVD Blu-rays. Sick. Look at this taxi driver. If you know, you know. J-pop. We'll keep looking around, see if we see anything cool. These are like $5. J-pop CDs. So that's cool. I think we have a Exile. That's cool. Looks like they have cool records over here. Not bad. Tons of vintage records. That's super rad. Look at this one. The West Side Story. Those are cool. There's more over here for records. Oh, sick. Yeah, perfume. That's cool. More records. There's a cool record store, all used. I don't know what else is there here. Of course, the porno section. A lot of hentai. Gnarly. We got the famous Nevermind by Nirvana. Got the Unplugged in New York. That's cool. They have tons, man. They have Motley Crue. That's cool, man. Sick. That's so rad. What else do they have around here? Some John Lennon, Milk and Honey with Yoko Ono. Crazy. Oh shit, they got some Kiss. Dude. Destroyer. This one's sick. What else we got here? Kiss, we got Korn, we got The Killers, Battleborn. This is cool. It's fairly new. Runaways is a good jam from them. Miss Atomic Bomb. Oops. This is sick. Sam Sound, that's also fairly new. Look at that. When you were young. That is sick. Read My Mind is also on this record. Read My Mind is really cool by The Killers because when they came to Japan, they filmed the whole music video here in Japan for Read My Mind. That's a good album, and it really does look fairly new, you know. Damn, might just grab me that. That's so cool. What else do we have here? Just gotta skim through them. They're all crazy. And you know, it's nice. There's some Sum 41. What else we got here? Let's go. Looks like they even have some vintage N64 Mario Kart games. Wow. And PlayStation games? That's so cool. Call of Duty 2. Big red one. This is super vintage, man. That's crazy. You got Hitman. What else you got here? True Crime. I always thought this logo or this cover, that was Snoop Dogg. That's what I thought. Devil May Cry. What else? Very cool, man. Vintage cool games here. Call of Duty 4. It's crazy. Skate 3. Oh, there's a One Piece game. That's pretty cool. Not bad. We'll go ahead and check out what else they have. Of course, they have like a vintage game console, family computers. PlayStations. And then like the random box of goods. Pokemon.
Look at this
Dang, yeah.
Pokemon card game vending machine. That's cool. Pokemon card game. Vending machine. That's cool. Look at all these cards. Tons. That's pretty cool, man. We'll keep going around and looking around. These are the cases. Got this cool keychain for Jen, and I got a Frankie for myself here at a Book Off.
So Mikhail just went to that Namco arcade and he got this cool gacha. And on that gacha, it has a miniature gacha. And this one's cool because it's like dispensing little, what's that, devil fruits from One Piece. Check it out. Look at that, my son got some mini gacha, One Piece vending machine. It's cool, it even turns. It's a mini gacha. You can turn the dial. And you can load it up with all the other gachas. This cover. And it really works. You could turn it too. And it'll come out. And the cool thing about train stations, like this one in Ueno, they have Depachi. Depachi stores have like little cool foods. Look at this, pao pao, some shomai. All around here. There's like cool tarts over here. Some cakes. Ah, very cool. So pretty much everywhere you go, it doesn't have to be like a special place, special restaurant. You could pick out cool foods everywhere. Look at this. Got bentos over here. Not bad. Oh, fried rice. Really nice. So yeah, like I said, everywhere in Japan, there's food that you can get. You just gotta open your eyes and just try out some stuff. Look at this fried chicken karaage. This with sweet vinegar. That looks really good, not gonna lie. This one's fried chicken with sweet vinegar tartar sauce also. Wow, it's making you hungry if you come here. I want to look at more of the sushi. Look at that. They have sushi over here. Pretty cheap, really cheap actually. It's like $3. You got the really high-end ones, the $20. Not bad. Look at this. Squid. Damn, looks really good here. Oh wow, this one has tuna. And my favorite, of course, is unagi, the eels. This is a cool Depachi store here in Ueno Station, Ikebukuro, just near the park exit. You got the Pokemon banana, Tokyo banana. And more, damn, pretty cool. Let's go on with this tour of today. See what else we could see and show you guys here on today's video. Ooh, I ate that the other day, street food. Sweet potatoes. Wow, look at these lava cakes. Beautiful. Good for snacks. Wow, you could smell this. It smells really good here. Look at the bread. Love the bakeries here. Of course, you gotta have melon pan. Look at these breads, man. It's called Bolangrikirie. Beautiful looking cakes. Nice. Gotta go ahead and prepare for Christmas. Wow, look at this 100 Years of Wonder. Disney stuff. Cookies. Good stuff. Alright, we're in Ueno Station. They got these cool pancake custard filled stuff. I don't know what it says, but we'll check it out.
This is the picture for the red bean. For the red beans, for the custard, that's the picture has a panda. So we do it is here's the custard and red beans has the picture. Here, ma'am.
I'm gonna get a custard.
Yeah.
Ooh, red bean. Red bean. Smells like a really good pancake.
Sa atin, 10
Pretty
piso
heavy.
yung maliit na ano. Kasi sanghiwang Eden.
Oh, wow.
Red bean. custard. Because I like this because it's
Like hopia.
no.
Yeah, it's like hopia. You know that. It's a Filipino thing. Hopia.
Bread. Only. Oh.
All right, we'll go check out this cool temple here in Ueno. Since we're in Ueno. They have that cool tree, a bonsai tree that they wrap in a circle, as you can see. You could even hit the girl. Look at this. This is cool. This is like a fortune teller. You got a Shushiki cherry tree right here. I like it. It's like a weeping willow. Very beautiful. We just checked out that temple, quick kind. It's here in Ueno Park. You just go up the stairs and you'll be able to see it. It's the staircase right near Ameyokucho, which is just over there. Yeah. So this temple here is kiyomizu kannon. That's what it's called. There's also other little like temples and pagodas around here, as you can see. There you go. This is where we're at. Kiyomizu Kannon-do. There you go. And you could like walk around this whole Ueno Park and check out all these other small little temples and more. Pretty cool. This cool willow tree right here. Very cool. Alright, this is Ueno Park. It's really beautiful to come here during the cherry blossom times. You get to see so much like sakura, cherry blossoms, and all the leaf petals all over the floor. And people just having like the blue tarps out, drinking beer, and just having a good time. This is Green Park right in front of me with Cafe Karima and like Quattro Staganotni, whatever, something Italian. There's a restroom. And just down here is the Ameya Yokocho. You can see already the Yodobashi camera right there. That's the entrance for Ameya Yokocho. Also, if you do come here, you can check out the Ueno Park, Ueno Zoo, all these other temples. And sometimes there's a lot of street musicians around this place. But we're just peeping it out real fast. Right, so here in Ueno, these trees all around, they have this fragrance, very familiar. It smells like weed when the wind blows. Pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Check out this cool panda. I'm out. Bye.